This is kind of my sharpening station on the end of my bench here. I've got this Norton stone, which is really coarse, probably medium and coarse. Right there. This is an India stone right here. This is the one I use the most. I like the grit and how it works. With these curved blades, it's not that big of a deal to sharpen one of these. I probably use 5/8, 3/4 at the most on these blades in the cutting area. I've got a black hard Arkansas right here that I use to put the finishing touches on some blades. Don't use it all the time because I like my blades to have a certain amount of crosshatch and coarseness to them, and your blade will cut a lot easier that way. And I've got some Triple E, that's a buffing compound, and this is some 555 from Brownells that you can embed this in leather and make a strop. I've got these strops down here on my bench, and it's good to strop your knife. So that's ready to go. A lot of times I'll hit that about 3 licks on each side, then come over to this India stone, and you just develop a feel. Try to do it equal amounts on each side, like that. And then wipe the honing oil off. And here's a little piece of leather, kind of a mini strop. Really something pretty easy to build or to make. You can take the a buffing compound, kind of embed it in there, and that polishes your blade. So that's how I sharpen my curved blades. Throughout the day, I'll come over to the stone a dozen times probably, or more. It depends on what I'm making, but you can hit that 2 or 3 times on each side, strop it, and you're good to go.